We're all good?
Yeah, both cameras are filming.
Can you see me over these? Hello everyone and welcome back to Bike Matters. Today I've got a completely different video for you as we're looking at all my new gear for 2021 kindly sent to me by Oxford. Let's start off with my new lid. Now it's another HJC. This is the F70. I previously had the I70, which is a little bit down the range compared to this new one. Now the I70 sorted me right out for the 2 years that I used it. It's been great and it's been very quiet as well, which is great for the mic, which Jake behind you now on the camera absolutely loves as well. Yeah, thumbs up. The previous one did a great job of keeping it nice and quiet in there for recording, and I hope this does the same. Now we've got the black one here. Now normally with black helmets I'm kind of like a little bit underwhelmed by them, but we just open this up and both me and Jake are just going, that looks awesome. It is a great looking helmet and I just cannot wait to try it all on and give it a little road test and see how we go with it. So yeah, new HJC F70 lid. Let's go on to the jackets, I reckon. And as you see here to my right, we have two jackets. And let's start off first with the Harrington. So yeah, this Harrington here in the lovely blue is my new summer jacket. And it's a nice lightweight option, but it's still got safety in mind. So we've got padding in the elbows and the shoulders, and we've got nice storage compartments on it as well. So yeah, a really great summer option. And to be honest with you, we do so many scooter and small capacity bike reviews here that this just matches into the aesthetic of it perfectly. So I think we're all pleased with that jacket. It just looks great. Now to match in with that jacket, we have got a pair of Oxford's AA rated motorcycle jeans. Now when they send it to you, not only do they look glorious as they do, but you get this bag of goodies. And in here, as you can see there, is knee and hip pads which get inserted into the jeans to give you that extra level of protection. So yeah, AA rated jeans here. I'm an awkward size, so it's putting Oxford to the test later when I try that on. Let's see how we get on. But yeah, and I think as you'll probably agree with me, together they look absolutely great. So yeah, not only well protected, I'm going to look pretty stylish in doing so. On to the winter gear. Now, we will go straight onto the jacket, but just to point out, these are matching Continental trousers and Continental boots. So we've got the whole range from Oxford there. So I'm changing from army green for my Montreal for the last couple of years, going to this nice grey version on the Continental from Oxford. So another adventure style jacket. You can feel how substantial this is. It's well padded again, plenty of protection on the shoulders and the elbows. Very handy for us with all of our recording gear. We've got lots of storage with these big pockets, internal pockets, and also there's an inner lining as well for extra warmth in the winter. But again, if you get to summertime, it's getting hot, just rip that inner lining out and it should make it a little bit more breathable for you. And there should be the odd air vent located that you can open up as well. So yeah, that's the Continental jacket. And if it serves me as well as my Montreal did, I'm going to be one happy person. Yeah, and as I said, this is the matching Continental trousers. I'm only a short ass, so I'll try and hold these up as high as I can. But yeah, so again, very similar to my Montreal ones. Really well made. You can feel the quality of them. The pads are substantial. So if you want some nice affordable, that's the thing with Oxford, their gear is so affordable. Adventure bike gear with lots of protection. These are a great option for you. And yes, the boots we have here, these big mighty beasts, these are the Continental boots. So yeah, adventure bike style. I mean, these, you can see how big these are. They are just absolute solid. So yeah, I'll be able to give you a good indication of just how well they fit soon, hopefully, when I take these out on the road. And again, with all the rain we're getting at the moment, These should keep me well protected, warm and dry. Although saying that, probably the first time I wear those, the sun will come out and be boiling hot and I'll roast. But yeah, these should have me well covered for the bad weather. And then onto the summer boots, we have these Mertons here. And you can see those, it's kind of like a slight distressed look about them. Which when you look at the Harrington jacket, the jeans and these boots, not only am I going to be really well protected, I'm actually going to look stylish. So I'm well pleased with those. And again, it just fits in with a lot of the scooters and that we ride here at BikeMatters. And that brings us on to the last couple of items, which are the gloves. And let's go with the big boys first. So these are Montreal 4s. Now I've had Montreal 2s, and these are anything like Montreal 2s. They're going to be lovely and toasty and have your back all through winter. And they're very affordable as well. So nice, well protected gloves. But there's no denying they can get a bit warm in summer use. And that leads me on to these lightweight but still well protected pair of Tuscan gloves from Oxford. So these again, as you can hopefully see, got lots of ventilation on there, but it's still really well protected and got nice little leather covers there to give you extra protection on your fingers. So these should keep me nice and well protected, but cool, which is really important with gloves. I find quite often with certain gloves you can overheat in the summertime, but I think Oxford got me sorted out with those bad boys. So that brings this video to an end, looking at all my new Oxford gear for 2021. I can't wait to test it out on the road, and hopefully the end of the year I'll do a full review giving you my full opinions on all this new stuff. Yes, thank you so much for watching everybody. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.